Hi everybody, welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to show you today how to make the pig from Minecraft as a flat cupcake topper. And if you like what you see, please like, please subscribe. It helps me out, it keeps me going, and it helps me. So yeah, please. Anyway, okay. These are going to be about 2 inches in diameter. So you start out with some pink rolled out pretty thin, but not too thin. And you use a square cutter, cut it out, like I said, 2-inch square. And roll out some white really nice and thin, and we're going to make this into the eye. You're going to have some black as well that I rolled out nice and thin. And you can see I'm cutting it into kind of like rectangles. They're going to be the same width or as close as possible because I should line them up, but sometimes I just get lazy and don't. So anyway, take your white, cut a nice square out of it, and that's going to become the center part of each eye. Place it wherever it looks good in the center-ish there. A little bit of water on the back of a paintbrush, and do it to the other side as well. Then take black and do the same thing. Cut a square. This goes on the outside of the eye. Attach it with a little bit of water, and if you need to, press it, line it up, make sure it matches up nice and neat. I'm going to be using a slightly darker shade of pink, and we're going to be cutting out bigger squares and more of like rectangles for this. I'm going to be making the nose and the ears out of these. So you just pick a size that looks pretty good. You want it to be wide, maybe like twice the size of the eyes, I would say. And just center it on the face and place it there with a little bit of water once again. Nice and easy. You can see here I'm using the knife to straighten out the edges because sometimes they move a little. It's not perfect. You want to try to keep your corners nice and sharp with these Minecraft things. So there you go again, using the same shade of pink, cut out 2 larger rectangles for the ears, place them up in the corners, a small rectangle there just to make the bottom of the mouth for the piggy snout. I found a shade of burgundy that I thought looked good, and I made 2 there, very thin little rectangles. Those are going to become the pig's nostrils. Place them with a little bit of water, adjust them till you get them where you like it, and there you go, it's done. So the pig is really easy. This is like a really easy basic figure. Everybody knows the pig in Minecraft. It's a good one to make. And if you like what you saw, please like, please subscribe. See you next time. Thanks.